Can you fly this plane and land it?
Surely you can't be serious.
I am serious. And don't call me Shirley.
There's a sale at Penny's.
So what do we got here, Bill?
I've got a 1929 Command Aire. It's the only aircraft that was ever manufactured in Arkansas, and so it was made in Little Rock. It's one of two left. We like to find the rare stuff and then fix it up. And there's some other Command Aires with different engines, but with the radial engine like this, there's only this one and one other one in Atchison, Kansas.
Is that right? So
Yeah.
2 in existence.
And so I flew it from here to Blacksburg, Iowa, to Palm Springs and back. It was 50 hours in the air. Obviously, that was over several days.
Yeah, absolutely.
But it's got individual exhaust, so it's real loud, and you breathe a lot of exhaust. But it's pretty much fixed up, all original.
Wow.
And, so yeah, 1929. So yeah, it's about 85 to 90 miles an hour.
Oh, really? Yeah. And just louder than all get out,
real
huh?
Loud and breathing the exhaust.
Wow.
And, so anyway, it was, it was a really neat trip. Sometimes it's more fun to talk about it than it was to do it.
Oh yeah. And, I mean, in Palm Springs, did you land in Palm Springs? Were you taking off out of there?
Oh yeah.
So you're dealing with the winds coming up the mountains and the whole gambit, huh?
Yeah. Well, and all the way to Blacksburg, and then down through Texas and out through New Mexico and all that. So,
I'm
yeah,
sure that's
it was quite a trip.
wear you out.
It was.
My gosh.
Yeah, I was tired.
Awesome.
The back.
Flying from the back, huh, Bill?
Yeah.
There's another ladder over there. No, there's another ladder.
Wow. And were you doing this by yourself when you did that trip, or were you?
No, my brother and I did the trip. He took the Waco, and there was actually, I think, 7 or 8 airplanes on that gaggle that we did that with.
Wow.
Say we were just 2 of them. So as a group of guys, we stopped in Eastern. Well, we kind of picked airplanes up all along the way.
Amazing.
So
Just
and went to a
amazing.
fly in there.
Wow.
So it was fun.
Really cool. Yeah, and what are you running? What was horsepower again?
It's 220 horsepower.
Oh,
on this one.
220.
Yeah. So it doesn't go very fast, but it climbs really well.
Wow, I was gonna say.
And so it performs well. It just, it's kind of a big truck. It's not
Really?
a real light feeling airplane.
It is big. It really
Yeah.
is big.
Size airplane.
Yeah. Boy, just absolutely pristine. It's really, really impressive. I mean, geez, Bill, this is amazing. Amazing airplane.
Well, that was back in the time where they were really made to land on the grass.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, they don't like the pavement very well. There's no tread on them. They're just smooth. They're really this big, and to go over holes in the
Tundra.
in the tundra, yeah, in the grass, So, you're landing in fields out there. You want to do that. It's
Yeah,
got
absolutely.
24 bungee cords here for your shock absorber. You can see the gap there, and so that just spreads. So as you hit a big bump, those rubber bands keep you from collapsing.
And this is just a step, I'm assuming, for
Yeah, that's how you get in.
just a wrapped.
Yeah.
Yeah, amazing.